alarm systems. To start out with, fire alarm systems can be a number of different things, from detection systems to local reporting systems to pull station systems to there's a whole number of things. Start out with the alarms itself. The alarm can be a bell, buzzer, horn, recorded voice, strobe lights, speakers, meaning that any of these systems of notifying personnel or off-site personnel could be used in this manner. For instance, most common I could think of is I know schools do fire alarm drills. I think it's monthly, and these fire alarms, the students are going to hear buzzers going off and bells, and they're going to see the strobe lights, and then they have a procedure for this. This type of system is going to be a monitored service system that the schools use, meaning that when those systems go off, the monitored service is going to then send that signal to the fire department if it's an emergency. For these kind of tests, the fire drills, that monitored system can kind of cut that other end of the process out, meaning they're not going to send that signal to the fire department and send the fire department to a false activation for a drill. That's a monitor service system. A local reporting system is going to be for the safety of the occupants, but it's not going to give a signal off-site, meaning it's just going to be the sound and the lights that you're going to hear and see for the alarm, meaning you see strobe lights possibly going off. There'll be bells or buzzers or something indicating that there's a fire, but the fire department isn't going to know about it, and the monitored system is not going to know about it because there is none. It's just for that immediate residence that they're going to have detection. So someone's going to have to call 911 for the fire department to come up. Pull station alarms and detection systems. A pull station is going to be a one or two motion system, meaning just pulling the handle or lifting up maybe a panel and then pulling a handle down. And these are going to be done physically by a person. Someone has to use this system by pulling it and physically activating the system. The other kind of system there's out there is the detection alarm systems, and those are going to be your detections of heat, smoke, or flame. And a couple examples would be a fixed temperature heat detector system, and those are going to be your fusible or flangeable bulbs, things of that nature. There's quite a bit of different detection systems out there, and every one of them is great. They're just used for different kind of occupancies, if that makes sense. Let's see. Automatic alarm initiating device, detection to control. Okay, so the way the monitor system was that I was explaining earlier was, say, an automatic alarm initiating device. There's going to be detectors, say smoke or any of the detectors out there, smoke, flame, or heat detectors. They're going to first initiate that signal and detect that there's something wrong. Send that signal to a central control panel in the house that's going to have zones on it and all kinds of information that it's going to tell which detector went off, which area of the house or residence or whatever kind of building it may be. And then from there, that signal is going to get sent to a monitoring system off-site, where a company can determine, if this is a false activation, if this is a test, or if this is the real deal. And during this kind of a transfer, most of the time it goes to the monitoring off-site service and the fire department simultaneously, unless called ahead and notified that there's a test or something going on of that nature. So that's the automatic alarm initiating device. And that's pretty much it I got on fire alarm systems. As a firefighter, I go in there, and like the beginning of this post that you posted, Professor Watson, was we go in there, check the panel, see what zone it's in, and we go to that zone, see if that's the indicated area of possible fire or smoke detection, and that's the end of it. Then we go back to the control panel. If it's false activation, we tell the owner to contact their alarm company. But I mean, that's something I've never really done on the inspection side, is to know and understand all the components that really make up of it. So this has been an interesting topic for me to actually research a little bit on. Look forward to everyone else's. Thank you.